Hi everyone, Cece here, and today I am going to show you how to create the Larks Head Knot in Macrame. The Larks Head Knot, which is also known as the cow's hitch, is a very simple knot in macrame. Its main use is to anchor your string onto your starting piece. This starting piece could be a piece of driftwood or a dowel or even another piece of string. So here is how you create the Larks Head Knot. All you need is one piece of string. Here I have a 30cm piece of cotton cord, and what you do is you're going to fold the piece of cord in half until you have a loop at the top like this. Then what we're going to do is take our loop and put it over the top of our dowel, so you can see here, and feed the ends of our cord through the loop and pull tightly to create your lark's head. It's as simple as that. Now, a tip that I have here for you is to remember to always put your loop over the dowel the same way. In this example, I have put the loop over the dowel to create the lark's head knot, like so. The other way that you can create the lark's head knot is by placing the loop under the dowel, pulling it over, and then pulling the ends of your string through that way. You can see that there is a big difference between the end result when you go over the dowel and when you go under the dowel. If you make sure that you complete your lark's head knot in the same technique each time, then you'll get a more uniform look at the start of your piece. If you go over one way and then under another way, it'll look all messy at the top, so try to avoid doing that. Here I have a full set of strings that I've attached using the lark's head knot. So now they're anchored onto my dowel and I'm ready to start my next macrame piece. So that's how you make the lark's head knot. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and remember that it just takes a little bit of practice before it is super easy to do. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and here's to finding peace in creativity.
Larks
Head Knot!